All right, so everybody, in New Iberia, Louisiana, going to be doing a Challenger 600, and just got into the hotel, and going to be waking up early in the morning. Going to get straight into it. Let's go. All right, so made it out here to this Challenger 600, and just got finished doing the inside. I'm going to show you it real quick. Walk up here. As you can see, turned out beautiful. Turned out gorgeous. The wood, the leather seats turned out amazing. I'm gonna turn my LED here. There we go. Got this area back here, also a lavatory, as you can see. Turned out amazing. Now as I walk back through, this is the inside. Seat belts turned out really nice. Tray tables. The galleys. Alright. So, I'm going to go ahead and close this door up and then get rocking and rolling on the outside. Get it washed and give it a bubble bath. So, just got everything prepped, ready to wash this aircraft, but before we wash it, gonna walk around it, make sure that we take a look at everything on this aircraft, make sure that there's any anomalies that need to be addressed, to get addressed. All right, everyone, so this is the results of cleaning this Challenger 600 right on up. Got it looking good. I'm just gonna let the work speak for itself. Okay, everybody, I appreciate everyone sticking around for this long. If you stuck this long through the video, I appreciate it. Be sure to like and subscribe. Gonna be moving on to the next town, next city, next project. Hope y'all enjoyed this Challenger 600. See y'all in the next video.